So another item we carry in the farm stand, because this is one of my favorite things to eat, especially in the winter time when I'm looking for something green and I'm feeling lazy. So these are called mung beans, and we carry them in jars. You could buy them in the farm stand year-round. So these little tiny seeds are called mung beans, and they pack a punch with protein and other good nutritional value, and they're kind of crunchy. And we don't want to eat them this way, of course, because they will probably break your teeth. They have very hard outer shells, but what we want to do is sprout them. So they're a very easy sprouting bean. And what I do is I take one of my jars, ideally one that would be a wide lid. This is a regular lid because that's what I had at the time when I started this batch a few days ago, or a couple days ago. I poured in the seed and I added my water, and the idea is that you want to just cover over the surface of the water, like you want to cover the beans. And then typically for the first day you want to let this sit on your counter, like in a dark space. Nothing crazy, like it's still by the window, it's not pitch black over there, but I left this sprouting lid on, which is meant for a wide mouth jar, but this works just fine to keep the airflow going. They soak for 24 hours, and then after that first day, you will drain them of their water. And then the next day, you'll rinse them and drain immediately. So first day you soak, second day you rinse, third day you rinse, and then the result is sprouts, which have just started in mine and they need a little bit more time. So after today, I expect that by tomorrow I should be able to eat these. And I make a nice little salad, something really simple. I'll put some like olive oil and a little vinegar on it, and usually throw some microgreens in there, and then I have myself a quick little salad. They're also really good on deviled eggs, which is another thing we'll do later.